Hi there, and let's do a video for the unpacking of ClearX. Once you are happy with the simulation, or your doctor is happy with the simulation, you order the case, and the case will arrive to your clinics in a box like this. As you can see, there are two boxes inside, the doctor's box and the patient's box. As you can see here, you have the name and the ID of the patient, so you know which one, how to identify them. So once you receive the boxes, we will take both of them out of the main box. Here is one, and here is the other. So we have doctor's box and patient's box. Inside of the doctor's box, you open it, you have one envelope, okay, two bags if IPR is needed, with the strips to measure the IPR, the templates to bond the attachments, and the rest of the aligners of the treatment. Inside of the envelope, you have the flyer with the attachments and buttons placement, if they are required in terms to initiate the treatment. In this case, yes, because we received the templates that will bond the attachments, and it will show you how to do it in case you are not an expert with it. It also sends you the declaration of conformity regarding the product, and the lab report that will indicate to you where to do IPR, how much IPR to do, where to place the buttons and elastics, what type of elastics should be used, and the treatment notes in case you are documenting a case. It will appear here how many appointments you should do, and when to record the photos and the material that you require in order to document the case. So yeah, once it is done, I'll save it for later. Okay, this is the doctor's box, and now we go for the patient's box. Here is the patient's box. You open it, and in the lid you have discover here as a QR code that will send your patient to the App Store or Play Store in order to download the app, and yeah, they can download it and start inputting the treatment. Inside of the envelope that comes with the patient's box, you will have the booster user guide, what to use, how to use the booster, how it operates, what type of device it is, and you have the guide for the aligners, how to proceed with the aligners and how to proceed with the ClearX journey, how to treat the aligners, how much wearing time you should have with the aligners, and the type of activations and the roadmap that you have with the treatment. It also comes with a letter to the patient regarding their treatment of ClearX. Inside of the box you have like two doors, and we will open them, and here you cannot see, but yeah, here you have the first set of 3 aligners. Okay, that's usually what the patient takes home, and the doctor can provide him more aligners if they feel like they only want to see him after 2 months or 3, or for example, there is a new IPR before aligner number 5, so before aligner number 5 they will come to the clinic and they will perform the IPR and check if everything is okay. He has a dedicated booster, he has the aligners case that you will place the aligners when going to eat or when going to brush their teeth, etc, etc. And he has some accessories like chewies, like aligners removal, and the tweezers to operate with the booster, because the booster operates in hot water temperature. And the tweezers will be for the patient, instead of going with their fingers, to use the tweezers in order to remove the aligners without burning themselves. And yeah, I believe this is all. So hope it helps this video. So